In this experiment, we will study the transfer of heat by conduction in solids, liquids, and gases. Let's see how heat is conducted along a solid rod first. Evenly coat one end of a copper rod with octadecan 1Ol. Stick metal drawing pins at regular intervals along the coating. Heat the other end of the rod. Observe what happens to the pins. How is energy transferred along the rod? Now we will investigate what kind of solid conducts heat faster. Put a wooden rod, an iron rod, a copper rod, and a glass rod into a beaker of hot water. Feel the ends of the rods to find out which rod gets hot first. Which material conducts heat the fastest? Alternatively, coat one end of each rod with the same amount of octadecan 1Ol and immerse the other end into hot water. Observe what happens to the coating. Which material conducts heat the fastest? Now we will study the conduction of heat in water. Use a piece of wire gauze to keep some ice underwater at the bottom of a boiling tube. Gently heat the top part of water and observe the ice. What can you say about the temperature difference between ends of the boiling tube? Lastly, we will study the conduction of heat in air. Cover one end of a cardboard tube with a black disc. Put the tube near a radiation heater horizontally, with the closed end pointing towards the heater. Insert two thermometers into the tube near two ends. Turn on the heater. Take the readings of the thermometers after a while. What can you say about the difference in readings?